Hello and welcome to Success Africa, where we bring positive African stories. And today we are here at the AfriCity Summit happening here in Kisumu, and we are privileged to have come across a very important organization that deals with providing and promoting decent work for women. So let's dive into it and get to know what is it exactly about and what is it helping women do in this society. Thank you so much for joining us. Kindly introduce yourself, tell us your name and what your organization is about.
Okay, my name is Esther Waikuru. I work with the Buildher. Buildher is an organization. Buildher are two words actually to build a lady. It's an organization that empowers women in construction skills, focusing in interiors construction. And currently, we are training women in two trades: carpentry and joinery, and painting and decorating. The women are from the have disadvantaged backgrounds, and they are around from age 18 to 50. And the training course is 12 months divided into two blocks. 4 months, an intense training crash program at Buildher, where our center is at Babadogo, Nairobi. And then 8 months, they are placed at work where they learn and earn.
Okay, what is the process of recruitment for these women?
Okay, we work closely with partners, community partners. These are CBO, community based organizations. And we also work with community leaders, and we work with peer organizations. So these partners are the ones who identify needy women who will benefit from the training. So you find they are the ones who collect their names, have a pre-interview in the community, and then bring us the names. And from the names, we call them for interviews, just to gauge their commitment. And the interview also, it's an empowerment process, because as we interview them, we also empower them. Those who don't make it for the interview, they are encouraged to come the next intake, and others are even advised on what is best for their career path.
Okay, what are the requirements of these women? Do they need to be educated? Do they need to have
uh, as I had stated, these women are from disadvantaged backgrounds. So you'll find most of them did not finish school as desired because of many challenges, especially those who come from the informal settlements. So what we've done, we've tailored our program in such a way that we take from standard 8 to going forward, because as you can see the table in front of us, they need to do measurements. After they've been given a drawing, they need to understand how to interpret the drawing to make it come out like this table.
Okay. To the women out there who are in disadvantaged backgrounds, what can you tell them and how can they get to you to be able to tap into this opportunity?
Okay, what I can tell them is, first of all, as a woman, don't just sit at home. Just don't sit and wait. It's high time, as a woman, try to come out and try to look for something that can give you an economic gain. And furthermore, also try to learn more. The world is changing, the world is running very fast. So it's good as a woman, not only as a woman, even as a man, but we emphasize on women to have at least a skill that you have, that you, wherever you go, even if you move from Nairobi city, you move to another city, you can use the skill. You are not incapacitated because the city that you are going to does not require, but the construction skill is spread worldwide. And the good thing about the construction work is that you can earn while working and learning. Currently, we are situated in Nairobi County, Ruaraka, but the go down themselves are at Babadogo. Babadogo is a neighbor to Korogocho, Huruma, and our catchment area is the informal settlement, but we noted there are people who are coming from other areas like Buruburu, Umoja. So we've spread out. Any woman coming from Nairobi are invited to join and come and apply. And another thing is we are planning to roll out to other counties, God willingly. And if possible, you can reach us to buildher.org. That is our website. And at Twitter, you can meet us at _builder.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much for that information. It was good having you. The purpose of this summit is to network and bring you these raw opportunities all the way from Kisumu. And here we are, Builder. They implement inclusive programs that drive sustainable development among women. And here is an opportunity for women to tap into the decent work and growth of this society. Keep it Success Africa.